Murderer,
you're mashing up Jamaica.
murderer, murderer. State of emergency, wow. State of emergency. Yo, make we bring back Jamaica to the days and man a go a dance and a bubble pan girl and feel good. When man a walk with back a torch and a play that me know, stage show girl a wine pass. We never had no bugging or no ladder fi true, but them days they we never under no curfew. God know when Tiger did a wap wap wap, we never did a hear so much gunshot. So if we coulda get back some days like that when Carlin and Ouch crew them a come a dance buff up and fall, instead of just be a man a dead, your friend them a dead, them a cut man short and a skin man. Some a blame it pan embalming fluid, yeah, but you no feel say bad mind a something fi do with them. More than $1 million for a AK, and the juvie them we got it never work one single day. White collar criminal, link up get a criminal, get a dan turn some little juvie in a criminal. Finger them a find know who is to be blamed. If you hear some name I call everybody I go shame. Mashing up Jamaica. Tourists don't want come here. Mashing up Jamaica. Tourists don't want come here. No for them want fi blame it for we poorness. 90% of we poor, though miss our wholeness. Government a tell me say I must be lot of scamming. Then now comes me no see no jail cell slamming. Me neighbor fly out and run off and me door on him, cause him a seller and order making a foreign. Them a crab ya they do too much clabbing. Them would chill you and bust the wedding at your cabin. Some a say yo them crime a look like conspiracy, and some a say the devil loose in a them vicinity. Some a ask for your change but me need a whole a buck. Fi strengthen me look Jamaica boys no one wonder food and water and sweet sugar cane. No every man a killer, know them doing that for fame. Me sweet black princess tripping at a shame. Get back to the topic of the same. Me telling you, mashing up Jamaica. Whoa 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 whoa. Tourists no one come here. Oh oh. Mashing up Jamaica.